of the Republic of the Philippines, Her Excellency Gloria Macapagal.
Whether Filipinos or friends of the Filipinos, welcome back to the Philippines. Welcome to Malacanang. As Secretary Romulo said, today is the 5th year of this Ambassadors, Consuls General, and Tourism Directors Tour. And I'm happy to see that the tour is bigger than ever, that interest has not waned of billions of people across the globe. And the stark reality is that even Philippine economic growth has slowed. We have been affected, but we are comparatively better off than most other nations. Last year, we managed to grow our GDP by 3.10. It was a perilous time for our economy, with our country teetering near bankruptcy. Since 2001, our economy has posted uninterrupted growth from $967 to a middle class of $2,051. To be able to withstand the global recession, let me say that one key to keeping our economy strong at home has been our vigorous engagement with other countries abroad. We have championed our OFWs and brought in new foreign investment. Net